Today, we finally know why the Galaxy S24 series will be one of Samsung's most significant flagships of all time. After extensive research and development, Samsung has officially disclosed what might be the Galaxy S24 series' most compelling selling point. Introducing Samsung Gauss, Samsung's self-developed generative AI model. This is a lot more powerful than I anticipated. Thanks to Samsung Gauss, the Galaxy S24 will become your AI chat companion, answering all of your troubles and problems with complete global knowledge of pretty much everything you can think of. Samsung Gauss also makes the S24 a coding beast since it is a code model, and probably my favorite is the picture model. Samsung Gauss will allow you to produce or alter photographs using powerful AI. To summarize, it's a language model, a code model, and an image model, making it perhaps the most powerful AI tool on a smartphone, and it'll be implemented on the Galaxy S34 series, yep, all models. And in case you're wondering why it's called Gauss, the AI model is named after a famous mathematician named Friedrich Gauss, who was also called Friedrich. They could have chosen a more pronounceable name, but given the capabilities of this AI model, I can see why they chose this one. Now, this AI model will make use of all of the AI capabilities of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3/Exynos 2400. As much as I'm pleased about the hardware modifications, this has to be one of the most exciting elements of the whole S24 family, making the 2024 flagship super duper exciting. Samsung will officially announce the S24 series on January 17 in the United States, according to multiple sources in South Korean media, so this could just be when Samsung officially unveils their next big thing. So if you're someone who uses the S22 Ultra or S21 Ultra and looking forward to the S24 lineup, you might not have to wait that long. Now, during the Unpacked event, there may be some more exciting things, like as an updated version of their Galaxy Buds Pro. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.